Hi everyone, Rachel Jensen here, broker owner of Luna Realty Belize on the beautiful island of Ambergris Caye. Today we are in a new community that we have never been through before, and it is probably one of my favorite communities here on the island. It's 6 townhomes in total, and there is one that is just entering the market, and it is just absolutely stunning. We are in a 2-bed, 2.5 bath, and it has immaculate views looking out of the lagoon side. We're gonna take a look around, but I just wanted to highlight a few important features about this property that I find really unique and that we haven't been able to find across other developments or properties here on the island. So first and foremost, we are located about 1.5 miles north of town. So you're on the fully paved road, and we are located on the lagoon side. So what that means for you is you have really beautiful sunsets, and there are 2 really nice verandas where you're able to enjoy those sunsets from. And there's also a dock. So if you are somebody who has a boat or thinking about getting a boat, you do have a private boat slip here for you to use and to enjoy. Now, number 2 that I want to mention is that this townhouse has a garage and a covered parking space. Now, I do want to highlight that because one of the big things that's fairly difficult to find here in Belize, and especially on the island, is storage. And typically, if you do find a complex with storage, I know there are a couple around the island, those storage units can go anywhere from $40,000 to $120,000. $40,000 to $120,000. So with this property, the garage is included, it's enclosed, you can lock it up, you can use it as storage, you can park inside of it if you want, but you do have that sort of option and opportunity. And number 3, it is a smaller complex. And so there are only 6 townhouses here that I mentioned to you. And there are amenities such as the pool, outdoor grilling area. And I like that because it's a little bit more intimate than some of the other larger complexes that you'd find north of the bridge or north on the lagoon side. So you do have an intimate, cozy feel here within this community. And I think that's a big plus for many people who are looking to relocate, have a relaxing environment, and of course, just have an incredible view. So let's go take a look around. As you can see, this is a very beautiful condo here with ample storage space between all the storage in the house, the garage space, and the amenities here that you get to enjoy. I think this condo is a real winner. Feel free to reach out for more information. You'll find the listing link below with all the details such as square footage, price, HOA numbers, insurance, all those fun details. Click that link and let us know if you'd like additional information. Thanks guys, and we hope to hear from you soon. Bye.